Hello and welcome to Yoga TX. My name is Crystal. I've got a shorty class for you today. This one's good if you're feeling kind of sluggish or just want to move through a quick practice. Beginner friendly, you don't need props. I'll give you options. We're going to start in a child's pose, nice and easy. Knees can be together or wide. Set your hips back towards your heels. Melt your forehead towards the earth and walk your hands forward. Option to find a little rock side to side here with your head. Massage out that space between your eyebrows. Third eye, intention. Space that holds our intuition. That was the word I was looking for. I was like, intention, why did I say that? Good yoga word. But you've showed up on your mat even with a limited amount of time. And take a deep breath in and sigh it out. And one more like that. Deep breath in and exhale. Walk your hands over to the right side of your space. You can either have your hands staggered or stack your left hand on top of the right. Getting into the left side body here. Keep scooping your left armpit towards the earth. Often when we lean one way, we forget about the side we're leaning away from. So see if you can activate your left side. Now walk your hands over to the left side of your space. Again, your choice with the hands. Keep them split or right hand on top of left as you scoop your right shoulder towards the earth. All right, walk your hands back through center. You're welcome to stay low to the ground or continue to move side to side. If you want to start to energize a bit more, as you walk to the right, bring your right hand next to your right knee and sit up on your heels. Reach your left hand up. Exhale to lower your hands back down. You can walk, slide, glide your hands over to the left. Left hand next to left knee. Reach your right fingertips up. Take a few of these, almost like primal movement, crawling forward on the earth, and then lifting up, reaching up towards the sun, and then lowering back to the ground. If you want to take it up even more, next time you come to the right, you'll walk your hand back even more. So right hand will come towards the right toes. Lift your hips up, reach the left hand up. That's like a half camel pose here. Lower your hips back down. You can swim your heart forward. Left hand next to your left toes. Reach hips up, right fingertips reach up. Continue with whatever you're doing at your own pace. Swim your heart forward. You can stay low to the ground if you've gotten this far into the practice and you're like, this is a little more energizing than I was expecting. Stay in your child's pose. And breathe there. You're still doing yoga. Now, if you're lifting your hips up and you're taking these more upright, energizing movements, we'll start to diminish them. So start to come lower to the ground. And we'll meet back in our child's pose, back where we started. On your next inhale, find tabletop. Pull your heart forward. Lift your hips off your heels. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take an inhale in your down dog. And exhale, shift forward to plank. Shoulders come forward of your wrists. Drop your knees to the earth. Inhale to stand up on your knees. Reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, right hand back, left hand forward. Little open twist to the right. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, switch sides, left hand back, right hand forward. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, plant your hands to the earth. Keep your toes tucked. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, shift forward to plank and drop your knees. Inhale, rise up, reach your fingertips up. You're welcome to take that same open twist or take it back to your half camel. Right hand will reach towards the right heel as you lift your left fingertips up. Just a different entrance to the pose. Inhale, reach back up. And exhale, take it to the left. Left fingertips to left heel, right hand reaches up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, plant your hands. Inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale, plank. Drop your knees. Inhale, reach up. Option to untuck your toes. And exhale, reach back for your half camel. Inhale, come through center. Exhale, left side. Inhale through center. Exhale, plant your hands. Tuck your toes, downward facing dog. And if you're like, this half camel action is too much, you can keep those open twists, just reaching to the forward and back of your mat. I can't say sentences, they're hard. We're gonna try one more and we'll hang out a little bit longer in our camel, if that's what you desire. Inhale to shift forward to plank. Exhale, drop your knees. Inhale to stand up. We'll stay here. You're welcome to take breath to movement, reaching forward and back, maybe finding your half camel variation, or if you're ready, we'll move into camel. I like to keep my toes tucked so that my heels are a little bit higher. Reach your hands to your back pockets, like you're slipping fingertips into your jean pockets. And then you can stay right here. This can be your camel. Magnetize your elbows towards each other and puff up your heart. Camel is great. And heart opening is energizing. So any amount of puffing up the heart will give that to you if that's what you're looking for. You're welcome to stay here or start to reach one hand back toward your heel and then opposite hand. Press hips forward. Maybe lift your chin away from your chest. Option to look towards the wall behind you if that feels safe in your neck. Wherever you are, make sure you're breathing. 2 more long, deep breaths. Maybe you're continuing breath to movement. And then as you're ready, one hand at a time to your low back to stand up on your knees. Keep your toes tucked and sit down on your heels. A little bit of counter action. Let's be still. Well, that was good. I'm awake. Are you awake? We did it. All right, from here, extend your legs forward. Let's counter that with a forward fold. Put a bend in your knees to start. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, hinge forward. Now, fingertips can come to the earth. You can focus on just lifting your heart. And then see if you can glue your tummy to your thighs. This can be your fold. If you feel you have more space, maybe crawl your heels a little more forward or walk your hands more forward. Forehead can come towards the knees. Maybe you grab the edges of your feet or peace sign fingers around your big toes. Let your breath slow down. And then start to walk your hands back towards you, sit upright. We did it. You did it. You did yoga. Good for you. 10-minute practice. All right, we're going to close out together. Bring your hands to your heart space. Exhale all your air out. Take an inhale, fill your lungs. And mouth open, let it go. All right. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this shorty practice. If you like what we're doing here at Yoga TX, please like and subscribe to our page. If you want to follow me, you can find me on Instagram. My handle is at its_Crystal. That's CRYST, 5 A's and an L. Namaste, yogis.